So nowadays what we use is we call it PEX, and there's different kinds of PEX piping for every application. The red and the blue lines are for your domestic water, meaning your drinking water, so your hot and cold. An idiot could tell what is your hot and cold with the red and blue. And then as for the heat lines, this is what we use for all our heat piping, is black PEX. So like I said, everything has its applications. They even make another kind that's very flexible as far as when you bend it, it stays in that position. We just, being that we had to snake it through walls and had to be very flexible, this is the easiest stuff to use, you know. Some people mistake that you could use the same PEX for everything, and that's wrong. There's a specific PEX for every application. As you can see, we're loaded with PEX. The problem with copper, over time it corrodes and it scales. There's a lot of different things that could happen to copper. The biggest reason for PEX, if you are replacing it, is PEX doesn't split. So when it freezes, it actually just expands. The only place that it can freeze are in the fittings, which is a smaller percentage of it splitting versus a copper pipe could split anywhere, and that's what they had here. They had splits throughout the whole house, so everything had to be, you know, junked, and we just came in and put new baseboard everywhere, you know. They had old radiators too, so the old radiators, once they split, you got to get rid of them. There's no way really to repair them. So.